Now we are looking the spinal cord from the shoulder to the pelvis. It is S shape.
是 S 型腿，
For the human ancestor, chimpanzee is C shape.
这个大猩猩是 C 型腿，这个 C 型腿，它这是 S 型。
Now, when we speak about pelvis, that we are going to speak about pelvis. The pelvis
这个横幅，看看横幅，跟这横幅。
inclination is more broader on the top and short.
上面宽，底下。
Chimpanzees from the top narrow and very long, so they cannot keep in the body.
But certain rules and regulations will also follow. For example, mainly during the time of menstruation and the time of, they don't complete, they don't prefer to complete. That very strict rules we follow. And even they don't like to complete. Someone who's not do this? Yeah. We're happy to do that. We are accepting it all. All right. You know, the mother fish always protect the small fish with her eyes. You know, Meenakshi watched the people, how she feeds eye in senses. Actually, the fish eye, what is Meenakshi? And this temple was started to build by Pandya dynasty from the 3rd century BC. Then they added one by one. Major part of the temple was rebuilt by the Nayak dynasty in between 15th century to during the 14th century. Part of the temple was destroyed. And many things were looted, claimed a lot from this area by the sultans of Delhi. Not the Mughals. Mughals, they never been to southern part of India. The sultans of Delhi, they invaded here. They destroyed lots of Hindu temples. This temple is highly targeted and they destroyed most of the things. And it's a very good example for a Dravidian architecture temple. That means a pyramidical shape. Dravidian style of architecture. The base which is not painted, that's all granite and rest all made out of brick and the stucco. And every 12 years, we will repaint the whole temple and it will take 9 months to complete. Last time they painted in 2008, the whole temple, including the towers, the ceilings, everywhere inside the main sanctum as well. Every 12 years, we will repaint it. It will take 9 months to complete. Last time they painted in 2008 and 2020 they are going to repaint again. Every month we celebrate the festivals. We call this city as a temple city because of more temples here. And also because of the temples we celebrate more and more festivals here. Among all the festivals, the Chittirai, the name of the festival is Chittirai. That's the first month of Tamil calendar. That's in the month of April and May. In between this time, we do the celestial wedding for Shiva and Parvati. So people, they love to do the marriages in this temple once in a year. They come here to witness the wedding of Shiva and Parvati, and they have a thread here everywhere. Yeah. This is a thread for the marriages. And at the time of marriage, groom tie this rope around the bride's neck. As long as the husband lives, she have to carry it. You can see this woman here, she's having a thread. She's not married. So it's a very important thread. It's a highlight of the ceremony normally. I mean, we tied it at the time of marriage. The groom tied this rope around the bride's neck. As long as the husband lives, she have to carry it. But once in a year she can change. Just the thread, not the husband. It's a very important thread for the marriages. Those who like to get married, they come and tie the thread here and then they leave it forever. And devotees, they come here, they put the cradles on here. The cradles, they ask for the baby. And they come and put the grains here, the rice and the ash, tikka and the turmeric, milk and the water, the bilwa leaf and the flowers. They love to offer They ask for the fertility because we never know in what incarnation our ancestors were born.
इसका छोटा छोटा फल आएगा, फल आने के बाद इसके अंदर छोटा बीज मिलेगा जिससे बहुत पूजा पर्पज के लिए उसके इसमें 2 मुगी 3 मुगी बहुत फल आएगा जिससे रुद्राक्ष का पेड़ इसे पाइनएप्पल अनानास एक पेड़ के लिए एक ही पाइनएप्पल आएगा, एक साल के लिए 2 पाइनएप्पल आए तो 3 पाइनएप्पल आएगा। इससे पाइनएप्पल अनानास का पेड़ वेरी गुड फॉर डाइजेशन के लिए, बॉडी पे ब्लड प्यूरिफिकेशन बहुत अच्छे है। एक पेड़ से 10-15 फल नहीं आएगा, एक पेड़ के लिए एक ही पाइनएप्पल आएगा, एक साल के 2 नहीं तो 3 पाइनएप्पल आएगा। इसे पाइनएप्पल अनानास का पेड़ 15 साल 15 ईयर से ये प्लांट का नाम है स्टेम प्लांट। ये पेड़ के ऊपर है, फल फूल कोई भी नहीं आएगा, ये पूरा जमीन के नीचे आएगा। ये पेड़ के लिए 2 रूट है, एक रूट जमीन के नीचे चलेगा, एक रूट जमीन के ऊपर आएगा। ऊपर आने का एरियल रूट में सफेद कलर फूल आएगा, बाद में छोटा ग्रीन कलर बीज आएगा। ये एक आप लोग दूसरा फल देख लो, रेड कलर ऑरेंज कलर येलो कलर आने का फल बोल रहे ना, इलायची ऐसा नहीं, लाइट ग्रीन से डार्क ग्रीन होने का फल हो जाएगा। ये डार्क ग्रीन होने के बाद ये फ्लग करके धूप पे सूखा कर देना। इसका स्टोर है, इलायची स्टोर काड़ा ऐसा स्टोर पे देके सूखा कर रहे, वो स्टोर के लिए 100 केजी दे देना, फिर सूखा होने के बाद वापस मिलेगा 17 केजी 18 केजी 20 केजी मिलेगा। इसमें 80% पूरा पानी है, पानी पूरा 20% मिलेगा। इसके लिए बहुत महंगा है। आप लोग मार्केट में देख लो, सबसे इलायची से तेल निकालने के बाद मार्केट से आते हैं। इलायची का तेल, बॉडी स्प्रे, परफ्यूम, रूम स्प्रे, चॉकलेट, आइसक्रीम, केक, टी, कॉफी से बहुत बनाने के लिए कर सकते हैं। बाद में मार्केट से आते हैं जिससे इलायची, कार्डमम, इलेक्टोरिया कार्डम, जिसे क्वीन ऑफ स्पाइसेस, इसमें 2 महीने के एक बार इसमें फल निकाल सकते हैं। ये पेड़ है रीप्लांट करने, ये काय तो कड़ू आएगा, किक आएगा, ओनली फॉर मेडिसिन पर्पज, वाइल्ड ऊपर नॉर्मल का काली मिरी का पेड़ लेके 1 साल में 1 बार फल आएगा। ये पेड़ से 1 साल में 2 बार आएगा, नहीं तो 3 बार आएगा। जिससे वाइल्ड ऊपर ओनली फॉर मेडिसिन पर्पज।
People establish this kind of tower, which is called bird feeding tower. The second reason is it's a religious and spiritual thing to feed the birds in the our India. So there is religious sentiment and spiritual sentiment is attached when we are feeding for birds, cows, or any animals. So because of the two reasons we are finding that sparrow is endangered species nowadays according to the UN category. But in the old part of the city of Ahmedabad, we are finding in enough number. Hawk, parrot, peacock, these kind of birds we are not finding in the new city. But compared to the new city, we are finding so far like more birds in the old part of the city. This kind of birds, which is not we are finding in the new city. So it's very impactful. The bird feeding tower in the old part of the city. And I think the heritage symbol of the Ahmedabad is also Chabutro. Structure you are finding which is demolished now, but earlier here there was the dome. Usually we are finding any dome can be carried on the 4 or 8 or 6 meters. This dome was on the 5 meters. And this is called the Calico dome. The Calico means showroom was there. There was the first showroom in all over India which was having air conditioned as well as the showroom was in basic. Calico Mill showroom. So here there was the showroom of Calico Mills. This dome is demolished now, but Heritage Department will restore this dome in 2-3 months. So once you are roaming here like in Heritage Group, please take care that instead of license, people in Ahmedabad need 3 things during driving. They need good horn, they will honk you anywhere. Good brake, that people will come from anywhere. And third thing is good luck. So if you don't have good luck, they will hit you. If you don't have good luck, again they will hit you. So please take care while you are walking. We will keep we'll try our best that we will keep our road open. So again we came to one part of the city to another part. We were in the Lambeshwari pole. Now we came into Haja Patelni pole. You can read over that Haja Patelni pole, that black pole. So if you see the structure of the pole, as I told, pole structure divided on the base of community. Patel, priest, goldsmith, ironsmith, shepherd, this kind of different pole structure is divided on different community wise. The reason is very logical and rational. That pole structure, see, every community is having their own differences, like their culture different, their food habit will be different, everything will be different for community wise. See, if you will take the suppose example of Jain people are strictly following in vegetarianism. They are having vegetarian food. Even they are not having root vegetable like onion, garlic, potatoes. If someone next door will cook non-vegetarian food, they might get allergic. So they will prefer to stay in the equivalent group with Jain community. That all Jain people will stay together. Suppose there is the shepherd group. Shepherds people are always keeping animals with them. They might are habituated with the dirty thing and cow dung and everything. But other people might get allergic. So because of that reason, like shepherd will stay in the equivalent group. Like their culture, their habit, their everything will be different. On that basis, the pole structure divided. So we are finding the various pole. In Ahmedabad, we are finding 600 pole total in number. Every pole is having their own community, profession, as well as differences. Always you will find that there will be a gate on the entrance of the pole, and on the top of the gate you will find security cabin. Where earlier they used to deposit a security guard over there.
Lameshwari port, which
Usually, according to the Hindu mythology, we are finding that God Krishna will be in the black color, but God Rama we are not finding in the black color. It's very rare to find that the God Rama is in the black color. So here we are finding very unique statue of God Rama. This kind of temple we are having in India only two. First temple is in Nashik, Maharashtra, and second temple is here. Only two temples. The God Rama is in the black color. Please. It's something different than having so many business things in the Ahmedabad city. Ahmedabad was having the 68 cotton mills. So Ahmedabad was the Manchester of India. So that much of cotton business, textile industries was there, influence. So if they are getting finance, if they are getting business from here, why they will fight? Again, they did not fight. So Mughal came, Britishers came, they did not fight. Architecture style is of Ahmedabad is also not defensive architecture style. The